Okay, picture this. You're eating a slice of pizza, scrolling on your phone, when suddenly, the entire Earth slams on the brakes. No warning. No. Hey, let's all hold on. Just SCRECH. And for exactly 1 minute, the planet isn't spinning anymore. What happens next? Well, let's just say, you're gonna want to finish that pizza fast. Earth spins pretty quickly. At the equator, you move about 1,000 miles per hour just by standing still. You don't feel it, of course, because everything around you, your chair, your house, your collection of random IKEA Allen wrenches, is moving at the same speed. It's like being on a plane. You don't notice speed until something changes. Now, if Earth suddenly stopped, your body, your chair, your house, and those wrenches would want to keep moving at 1,000 miles an hour. Newton's first law. Objects in motion stay in motion. You become the worst kind of bowling ball, and the planet's surface is the unlucky bowling lane. So, within the very first second, everything not bolted down is launched eastward. Cars, trees, swimming pools, your neighbor's prized trampoline, it's all airborne. Even the atmosphere keeps moving, so we'd get winds that make hurricanes look like gentle hair dryers. For folks living near the equator, it's absolute chaos. People would be tossed like ragdolls at highway speeds, skyscrapers would shred into the air like giant cheese graters, and oceans would start sloshing east in a planet-sized tidal wave. Farther north or south, the speeds are slower. In London, for example, you'd only get tossed at around 600 miles an hour. Which sounds slightly less bad, but that's like saying getting hit by a car is preferable to getting hit by a train. Now let's talk about the oceans. Those billions of tons of water are also spinning with the Earth. If the planet stops and the water doesn't, congratulations, you've invented instant mega-tsunamis. Coastal cities? Gone. Islands? Washed over. The Pacific Ocean would surge like someone tipped a bathtub, and no, your surfboard won't save you. For 1 chaotic minute, rivers flow uphill, lakes leap out of their beds, and every glass of water on every kitchen table splashes spectacularly east. It's water's version of spring break, except everyone dies. And remember the atmosphere. That cozy blanket of air around us? That's also spinning. When Earth hits the brakes but air doesn't, we get winds faster than sound. Imagine the loudest whoosh you've ever heard, crank it to 11, and add debris, cars, buildings, goats, flying along for the ride. It's an apocalyptic leaf blower. Okay, but here's the twist. After 1 minute, Earth magically starts spinning again at exactly the same speed as before. So we don't stay in apocalypse mode forever, right? Well, sure. But during that minute, everything relocates violently east. Afterward, Earth's surface catches back up with the air and ocean, like standing up really fast after a nap, except multiplied by planetary physics. The big reveal: humanity's survival chances? Pretty much zero. To make it through, you'd need to be underground, in a hardened bunker, strapped into something strong enough to hold a jet plane. And maybe also made of luck, dreams, and duct tape. So what's the takeaway? Earth's spin is not just a background feature, it's built into every second of your life. It keeps the oceans where they belong, the atmosphere hugging us close, and your pizza safely in your lap instead of smeared across Nebraska. We notice the sun rising and setting every day, but what we don't notice, the spin itself, is holding civilization together. Stopping the Earth for even a single minute would be a global reset button, and not the good kind. If this little thought experiment spun your imagination, give it a like, drop a comment with your craziest what if scenario, and hit subscribe so you don't miss future scientific chaos. Because physics isn't just rules, it's also the universe's best comedy writer. And apparently it really likes slapstick.